Regardless of whether you're a seasoned chef who loves nothing more than dreaming up delicious meals or a hesitant kitchen newcomer who's still working on mastering the basics, it's essential that you gather the right tools to help you on your cooking journey. In addition to items like sauté pans and silverware sets, you'll want to get a great kitchen knife set that you can use for many of your daily needs. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 kitchen knife sets on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hankle's Premium Quality 15-Piece Knife Set. Looking to keep your kitchen purchases under a tight budget? Consider opting for this affordable option from Hankle's, which comes with 15 useful pieces: a paring knife, a serrated utility knife, a Soniku knife hollow edge, a chef's knife, a bread knife, 6 steak knives, honing steel, shears, and a hardwood knife block for storage. In addition to its low price, this set boasts precise, fine-edge blades for all its knives, all of which are made from top-tier, stain and rust-free stainless steel. They have a lightweight feel that makes it easy to hold and maneuver them, as well as curved handles that allow you to get a firm grip during use. Plus, all of the knives and shears are dishwasher safe, so cleaning up after cooking prep will be a breeze. On the downside, the handles are a bit blocky, so they won't fit perfectly in everyone's hands. Number 2. Mercer Culinary Genesis 6-Piece Forged Knife Block Set. If you have a small kitchen, the Mercer Culinary Genesis 6-Piece Forged Knife Block Set pairs a quality knife set with convenient storage. Because this set also has all the essentials, it's also ideal for a beginner home cook who is honing their basic knife skills. The 5 knives, a paring knife, a utility knife, a boning knife, a bread knife, and a chef knife, all live in a compact block made from wood and tempered glass. Not only does it take up less space than other knife sets, but it also has a natural and minimalist look that matches many different kitchen styles. The high-carbon German steel knives are durable and highly effective, with ergonomic handles and non-slip grips to help make cutting easy and comfortable. To avoid rust, wash the knives with mild soap and warm water, and make sure they are completely dry before storing them. Number 3. Ross Henry Professional Japanese Chef's Knife Set. A wooden block isn't the only storage option for a set of kitchen knives. You can instead opt for a case, like the one included in this 9-piece Ross Henry knife set. The set comes with a carving knife, a chef's knife, a filleting knife, a bread knife, a cleaver, a boning knife, a paring knife, a meat fork, and sharpening steel. All of the knives and tools can be safely and securely stored in a compact, roll-up canvas carrying case. The knives all come with protective sheaths, too, for extra protection. Rust and corrosion resistant, their blades will stay sharp for a long while, but you can use the included sharpener to hone their edges as needed. They each have a knurled grip to keep your hands steady during use, so you don't risk slipping while preparing your food. Because these knives have a case, not a block, there's no way to display them nicely on your kitchen counter, if that's something you were hoping to do. Number 4. Wüsthof Classic 9-Piece Knife Block Set. For a strong and durable set of kitchen knives that you'll be able to use for years on end, the Wüsthof Classic 9-Piece Knife Block Set is our pick for the best kitchen knife set. Although it's a bit pricier than some other sets out there, it comes with 8 high-quality knives including a paring knife, a utility knife, an Asian utility knife, a serrated utility knife, a bread knife, a cook's knife, a honing steel, and shears, unlike many knife sets that come without. It also comes with a gorgeous wooden block to store them all in. These knives are made from top-notch tempered steel that resists discoloration, corrosion, dulling, and fading. They each have sharp, precise blades and a triple riveted base, as well as a full bolster that'll let you handle the knives safely. Just note that because the block has room for more knives than come with the set, you'll need to buy a few extra on your own if you want to fill in those gaps. Number 5. Schmidt Brothers Bonded Ash 15-Piece Knife Set. Magnetic knife blocks can be super helpful in keeping all your knives safely secured when not in use, and we're particularly fond of this option from Schmidt Brothers. It comes with 15 pieces, a bread knife, a slicer knife, a chef's knife, a Soniku knife, a double-edge utility knife, a fine-edge utility knife, a paring knife, 6 steak knives, a knife sharpener, and an ashwood knife block, all of which are sturdy, durable, and meant for long-lasting use. These steel-made knives feature sharp blades and unpolished handles, which help ensure a strong grip and reduce the risk of slipping during use. And then there's that slidable magnetic block, which keeps each knife tightly stored yet easy to access whenever you need to grab one. It's a space-saving and convenient accessory that will undoubtedly make a big difference in your cooking prep routines. Just keep in mind that the block is only magnetic on one side and that you'll need to wash and dry these knives carefully to avoid rusting. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.